Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining us today. For today's video, I will be doing a palm oil treatment, and palm oil will be the major ingredient of this treatment. I'll also be adding an egg to act as protein, and then honey just because I want my hair to be really moisturized after the treatment. Now, all you need to do is mix the palm oil with the egg and with the honey. After which you whisk or mix till you have a consistency. I'd advise you use double of this because I ended up making another batch for the other half of my hair. So without any further addition, if you haven't subscribed, now would be the best time for that. Please click on the subscribe button below and the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a video. So I've been carrying my hair like this for about 2 weeks. I haven't washed my hair in a while, so I decided to give my hair a treatment and finally wash it. I'm going to divide my hair into 2 equal parts and pack one side and work with the other half.
Another nigga like me, she be forming, she don't like calling, but when you find it, you know, stop running, start trusting your heart.
So I went ahead and took out smaller sections, then applied the treatment from the tip of my hair or from the scalp to the tip of my hair.
But excuse me, can I really get to know ya? Shawty cold hearted like she's suffering from pneumonia. Telling me to slow down, got the scope, point blank raid, let me shoot my shot. So many holes, it was hard to connect the dots. Yeah. OMG, baby. I know. Yeah. OMG, nigga. Yeah. She be acting like she really don't like me, but the truth in your eyes I see. I swear, baby girl, it's really unlikely that you find another nigga like me. She be forming, she don't like calling, but when you find it, you know. Stop running, start trusting. In your heart of heart, it shows. I don't know why. When it comes to love, girl, you keep your heart shut, but girl, I swear I will give you all the love your heart wants. She didn't tell me, say make we go slow.
So this is how my hair is looking after applying the treatment to the first section. So I'm going to twist this up so that it doesn't get in the way while I work with the others.
She be acting like she really don't like me, but the truth in your eyes I see. I swear, baby girl, it's really unlikely that you find another nigga like me. Shorty begging me to go slow without a Lagos traffic. Your love got me feeling stoned like a dinner's addict. High cause I'm always on the jail like Beyonce. Shorty said she wanna be fiance. Back up, all the girls they don't really match up. Statistically speaking, they don't even add up. When I'm with you, you're the only one that matters. No lie, now you really make my head is scatter. I ain't perfect, I got love, that's the reason why I'm standing. Enough love you can get without asking. For your heart, girl, I'd rather be a bandit. Okay, let's go, yeah. Shorty say she won't do the dirty wine. Shorty say she won't hit it from behind. Shorty say she won't do the dirty wine. You won't do the dirty wine. She be acting like she really don't like me, but the truth in your eyes I see. I swear, baby girl, it's really unlikely.
Okay, so let's get into what palm oil does for the hair. Palm oil is majorly used in food, but it can also be used in the hair industry. Palm oil thickens your hair, stops breakage, strengthens your hair, and makes the hair very healthy. Also gives this hair this sheen. Personally, I use palm oil anytime I have serious hair breakage, and it always revives my hair. Okay, so I use eggs because it adds shines to my hair and it's protein. I need the amino acids in eggs to be in my hair. I use honey because it moisturizes my hair. It keeps my scalp healthy and keeps bacteria away from my hair.
Yeah. OG, baby. I know. Yeah. OG, nigga. Yeah. She be acting like she really don't like me, but the truth in your eyes I see. I swear, baby girl, it's really unlikely that you find another nigga like me. She be forming, she don't like calling, but when you find it, you know. Stop running, start trusting. In your heart of heart, it shows. I don't know why. When it comes to love, girl, you keep your heart shut, but girl, I swear I will give you all the love your heart wants. She did tell me, say make we go slow, but I say no, no. I know I'll go slow, baby, no.
By the
She did
way,
tell me, say
this is
make we
very
go
messy
slow, but I say
treatment. It
no,
stains your
no.
clothes,
I
very
know
difficult
I'll
to wash
go
off. So
slow,
you want to
baby,
wear
no.
a shirt or a top that you don't really like and you don't mind disposing it afterwards. Um, Also, you want to add this treatment to the tip of your hair, to the front of your hair, so that you can strengthen your hair strands. And surprisingly, this hair mask removes knots at the tip of your hair.
When I'm with you, you're the only one that matters, no lie. Now you really make my nigga
Finally,
stand
I'm
up.
covering my
Alright,
hair to
perfect. I
steam
got
it
love,
and
baby, when the
also to
words done.
prevent
Enough love, they can
any
get without asking.
interference
Your
from
heart, girl, I'd rather
any
be
external
abandoned. Rather
factor.
be
Thank you so
abandoned.
much for watching
Let's
this
go.
video. Please
Yeah.
don't forget to
Shorty
comment your
said she wanted
reviews
it
for
better
this hair
mine. She
mask.
said she wanted it
And
from
please
behind.
subscribe if you
Shorty said
haven't,
she wanted
like
it fine. You gon' do
and
it left or
share.
right. She be
Thank you
acting
so
like she
much.
really don't like me, but the truth in your eyes I see. I swear, baby girl, it's really